Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist with RJO Futures here on September 17th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. Let's get started. We've got November crude prices a little bit weaker here this morning. We're off about 80 cents, trading around $93 a barrel. It was after a pretty healthy run yesterday. Really saw price action, pretty strong price action here to the upside. Take a look at Monday's post. We're kind of anticipating a possible bounce in the market. We kind of got some follow through with it here on Monday, and really nice upswing there yesterday. Coming into an area of slight resistance, the market backing off here a little bit right now. Brent's also a touch weaker, but only down about 18 cents here. Take a look at the Brent WTI spread. That's really narrowed in, now trading under $6 here. So I really think there's some opportunity coming up in that market. Give me a call, shoot me an email, we can discuss it. Nat gas bucking the trend, that's up a little bit, about 1 to 2 cents, but nothing too much there. Heat's off a little over a penny, and RBOB's unchanged right now. Now, a couple things here, taking a look at the market here this morning. You got S&P. That's relatively quiet here so far. We did see it make a higher high versus yesterday's high, but very quiet here ahead of FOMC minutes. They're going to be coming out a little bit later this afternoon, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that, see what kind of impact it might have on the oil market. Taking a look at the dollar here, we've got a little bit of weakness there, but so far we've got an inside day in the dollar index. But we do see the dollar here a little weaker here, which can possibly be a little supportive here to the oil market. Recently, that dollar has been on a very strong uptrend, and I think that's helped play into keeping oil prices under a little bit of pressure. We did have EIA data that came out here this morning, and that's something else that I think is certainly affecting the market. Most traders were looking for a build of about 1.4 million barrels. A draw of 1.4 million barrels. We actually got a build of 3.6 million barrels there. So completely opposite to the spectrum, adding to the stockpiles, what we've already seen. We're already running at higher stocks. I've mentioned that in so many of my reports. And I got to tell you here, if you're interested in where you can find this data out, give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd like to talk to you about that, and I can get you, put you on the distribution list for this. This is a great report here, and it keeps everything nice, in perspective here, where oil prices, where the stocks have been at. It talks about here your imports here, lowest stocks, highest stocks for this time of the year, current stocks, obviously, refinery capacity utilization, which by the way is up slightly over last week. So this is a great report. It's something that I do email out to clients. If you'd like to take a look at that here, give me a call, shoot me an email, and I can sign you up for that. Taking a look again here at the oil market, where I think prices are going to head here after these levels here. We've got an inside day here forming here right now here. That I think is really going to be a nice potential setup here. If it continues like this, I've got some ideas on how you can play that. If you don't understand or you're not sure how to play inside days, give me a call, shoot me an email here today, and I can get in touch with you. We can discuss it here. You can get a better understanding of how to play this. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.